that job. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna give chicken water. I give chicken them some water. Mommy, she's ignoring me. So rude. So rude. So I remember all of the chickens. Yeah, every time when I hear the chicken them and I'm a vlog, I make nice like after them. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all them. Well, some of them. I know I just uploaded the video of me putting on this hair, but it has been about 3 weeks now since my hair though. So this is also gonna be the vlog where I take it down. I'm actually gonna pull it out now. Hi, you haven't been in the vlog for a while. So hi. If y'all don't know, this is my mom and I love her, even though she always, you know, run me. But mom, is there anything you want to say to the vlog? No. Are you excited for Vlogmas?
Really excited.
Hey, mommy.
And I hope it is going to be great.
I'm hoping. You know, so every year, when Vlogmas happen, you know, so me always have problem with internet. Pray for me.
Are you calling it down?
No, me just I tell you. So you have to pray for me so it don't happen this year. Hi guys, back to being me. Yeah, hair wash and oil, and yeah, back to my old style. Shanik is cleaning the kitchen tonight. Hi. Guys, my third package. Yeah, I have an addiction, but third package. My face don't have to be crusty no more. You guys, I'm gonna tell you guys a story about all of this. Yeah. Hey guys, so mind what's going on over there. So I just wanted to come on and do a quick little talk about my skincare products that I got today. Just wanted to come on and share with you guys why I chose to buy my skincare products on Amazon instead of buying it at the store. So I thought about it and wondered if it would be cheaper to buy it like in my community or in, you know, just in my country. So I went out and I searched, and I went to Maypen because I thought, you know, going to Maypen or probably Kingston, you might find it cheaper. So I did that, and when I checked the prices of the things, one, I think I call it Cetaphil, I hear people call it Cetaphil, it's how me pronounce it, but anyways, anyhow, when I pronounce it, that's it, the same thing. So this is the big bottle of the Cetaphil. The one I saw in Maypen was about this, half of this, for 5,000 something, which is like probably about about 40 something dollars. I don't remember how it transforms in whatever, but it was quite dear, and I said to myself, I ain't gonna buy that. When I bought all of these things in here, so cost me in Jamaican like nearly like 6,000 something, like nearly 7,000, and to clear it is like 2,500, so that's like $9,000. I wouldn't get two things out of this because one half of this was for 5,000 something. The lotion they were selling was for like 6,000 something. So I wouldn't get any of these. So anyways, I decided to buy them on Amazon. So I got these things this morning. I don't even have the pricings right now, but I'm gonna just be showing you guys what I got. I got this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It is the, I think this is the 18 ounce. No, this is 20 ounce. This is 20 ounce. As you guys can see. So I'm gonna be trying out these products. So it is the Gentle Skin Cleanser, and I'm quite excited for that. I also got myself the Cetaphil Daily Oil Hydrating Lotion, and this is what it looks like. And it's for combination skin, and it looks like, this is what it looks like. It's quite big enough. I don't even remember how much I paid for it, but it wasn't expensive, so I will do like trying these things and how these work for me and all of that. In the next thing I bought from the Cetaphil brand was their wipes, their makeup wipes. I want to make sure that I didn't have like different products, too much of different products on my face, like from different companies and such. So I tried to make the basics from one product line. So these three things are from Cetaphil. I bought these nose brushes, actually. Yeah, I bought two so my sister can get one. And then I bought this micellar water, Garnier Skin Active micellar water. And yeah, that's much better. So yes, it's a good size. This is the 13.5 ounce, so it's quite large. I think in Jamaica I could have gotten this. I don't even remember how much I saw it for, like probably about 2,000 something or more, but this was like about $9 or so, which is like less than $1,000. So this is the Garnier micellar water. So I did buy something to put these in, but I don't want to put them in there yet because, as I said guys, I have my bathroom organization to do and we don't want to spoil it. So I'm gonna see if I can show you, so I'm gonna keep it in the box for now until then. This is style of palm, like, what is wrong with this girl? She's so annoying. Because we want the big reveal for the bathroom. Is everything I've bought.
She's not buying nothing.
Oh, you shush. I couldn't buy. Alright guys, so you see for Jamaica, you cannot ship things over $50 or you'll get a service charge, right? So all of these things came up to near $50. So I couldn't buy more than what I have in the box. So her things will come after. Okay, honey? Okay, honey. Alright, so I'm gonna make sure that the next time I buy her stuff. So yeah, I'm quite excited because I haven't been washing my face with anything but water for the past few weeks. Well, not few weeks, probably about a month or two. No, a month or two. Yeah, probably about 2 months now. So yeah, excited to start using these things tonight. When I'm gonna use it, I'll do my first try of the product and all of that. So yeah. Hey guys, I don't know why I look yellow right now, but I'm about to go to my bed and I wanted to do the first try of my products that I got. So I'm just looking for somewhere to put you guys. Alright, we're back. So guys, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be trying out the brush, the wash, and the moisturizer for tonight because I'm going to my bed, so that's all I'm gonna need. So right off the bat, my face does feel clean and smooth and all of that, so that's good. I hate how dark this thing looks, but oh well, that's that.